In this video I am going to draw this sketch. Go to start, mechanical design, part design, name the part, exercise 4. I'm going to select YZ plane and then I'm going to start the sketching by clicking on the sketch command. First I am going to draw a circle at the origin. The dimension of this circle is given. I am going to add the dimension. This dimension is 25 and I am going to pan it to make it here and little bit zoom it. Okay. Now I am going to select the profile tool. I am going to draw a vertical line. So to start vertical line I am going to start it here, then here, then align an angle, then here, here, this perpendicular relation is adding automatically. I am going to add it and draw a line. Here and draw it here. I just draw a random sketch which is similar to given in the drawing, but when we add the dimension then it will be perfect. So first of all I am going to add some constraint. I am to select this circle and press Ctrl, select this circle, and I am going to add the constraint and agency, and then I am going to add the dimension. The dimension of this line is given as 25. I'm going to pan it like here, and the angle between this line and this line is also given. I'm going to select this line, press Ctrl, select this line. This dimension is 135 and dimension of this line is also given. I'm going to select this line. This dimension is 12.5 and also select this line. This dimension is also given, it's 12.5, and angle between this line and this line is also given. We select this line, add the dimension, angular dimension. This dimension is 135. The dimension of this line is also given. I'm going to select this line. This dimension is 12. Now I'm going to add some relation. So this line and this line, these two lines are parallel. This line and this line is also parallel. So I'm going to add the parallel relation between, select this line and press Ctrl, select this line. Is parallel. And again select this line, and this relation is also parallel. Then I am going to dimension from this point to this point. Sorry, we needed to select this reference and this line. This dimension is 60, and now you see we needed to make it like that. Again select this line and this point and add the dimension 60. Now we are going to make this line and this line, the relation between these two lines must be perpendicular. So I am going to select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, sorry, the constraint dialog box, and relation between them is perpendicular. Now as you see, this dimension is not specified, and we needed to make the relation between this point. The point on this line is in the middle of this this region. This point and the middle of this point must be at the same line. So I am going to make this line and this line. I'm going to add a relation between this point and this line. So I'm going to select this line and this point origin, and I'm going to add a relation between them is midpoint. So by adding the midpoint, it's over defining the sketch. So which dimension is over defining it? No, this is not over defining it. This dimension, no, it's not over defining it. This dimension, no. This dimension, no. This dimension, no. We needed to find which dimension is over defining our sketch. What about this relation? No. What about this one? No. I'm going to delete this. So which dimension is missing? I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Here I'm going to make it a construction line, and I'm going to make it vertical. Now we are all set. Yeah, basically it was a good practice, like you observed that by defining some relations or some dimensions, the sketch will be over defined. So you needed to find that which dimension or the relation is over defining our sketch. So we tried to delete different dimension, but it was not working for us. Then I deleted the mid relation, and I added this vertical line, a reference line, and now we are all set. And we needed to edit this sketch to remove this unwanted portion which is over defining, which is dividing this whole sketch into two portions. So I am going to trim, and I'm going to remove this material, then again quick trim and remove this, and I am going to add a circle in the middle. I'm going to make it standard circle. Select this line, and now I'm going to add the pad. So it's done. Our chapter 3 is completed at this point.